If you're still telling people on Instagram to tap the link in my bio, stop doing that. It's outdated and there's a better way to direct people where you want them to go. You can tell people to comment a certain word and whatever link you want to send them will automatically be DM'd to them, be it a lead magnet like a link to a free ebook or a link to your contact page or a link to your product. And it's all automated so you don't have to manually one by one send these DMs. I'm going to show you how easy and free it is to get this set up, but I'll also say that if you'd rather let a professional marketing agency handle all of your social media marketing for you so you can drive results and still have time to run your business, we do that for small businesses every single day. So if you want a free custom marketing proposal and quote, fill out our contact form linked below. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. So you may have seen a lot of posts going around where it says something like, if you want XYZ sent to you, comment this word. A lot of influencers are doing this. Like this one, it says, if you want our outfit details sent straight to your DMs, comment the word link. But small businesses can get in on this too. Imagine you want to directly promote a landing page that captures email addresses in exchange for a free lead magnet. You can promote the lead magnet on social media and set it up so that if someone comments ebook or whatever you want the word to be, a link to that landing page is automatically DM'd to them from your brand account. So how do you set this up? The trick is to use a free tool called ManyChat. And I'll preface right now, this is not sponsored. We are not getting paid to mention ManyChat in any capacity. We've never done partnerships like that on this channel. We just like to talk about what works on this channel. So ManyChat offers a few services, but the one we're talking about today is their automated Instagram marketing service. ManyChat's Instagram DM is simple to use, no code visual interface, automates your marketing, customer support, lead generation process, and much more. So you can see in this little visual they have on the page that you set up an automation in their software. This is what it looks like to you. And then this is what your audience sees in their Instagram DMs as a result. Then they have some examples of how it can be used. If you're in e-commerce, you can use it to increase sales. It says help customers find the right product inside Instagram DMs, automatically answer product questions, create product quizzes, and send customers to the point of purchase. If your business model is lead-based, it says save time by qualifying leads with automated conversations. Collect and store emails and phone numbers, jump in where needed, and speak with qualified leads in real time. If you're just looking to generate more engagement, you can use it for that too. Boost your follower count, comments, and reactions by running messaging-powered campaigns like giveaways, promotions, and contests. Make it really easy for customers to start conversations with you and ensure they get a response. And lastly, you can use it to deliver instant support, increase customer satisfaction, and save your team time by automating customer support answers, respond to FAQs with pre-built answers, capture support information from customers, and notify your team to chat live if needed. So if you've ever set up email or SMS text message automations, you can see it's kind of the same principle, but with Instagram comments and DMs. Or if you've never set up email or SMS automations before, don't worry, because this is a really user-friendly way to dip your toe in the automations pond. And what I also love to see is that ManyChat is an official partner of Facebook and Instagram, so using this tool is 100% Instagram approved and safe to use. Not all tools are. Some tools get your account flagged or even worse, banned, but not with ManyChat. So let's look at their pricing plans. And yes, I did say this was a free tool because they have a free option, but they have bigger paid plans too in case you need to scale. The free plan allows you to get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1,000 contacts free of charge. The Pro plan allows you to grow your business with access to all advanced Pro features starting at a cost of $15 a month. And then they have a premium custom plan at a fixed monthly rate that you'll need to book a demo to solidify. I'm guessing most of you watching would only need the free plan, maybe the Pro plan depending on what you're looking to do and the size of your audience. If you scroll down, they have a calculator where you can enter in the amount of contacts you expect to engage, and it'll show you A, which plans can cover that, and B, how much those plans would cost. But let's look at some of the key features of this tool. With the free plan, this tool is compatible with Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. These are the 3 features of this plan. Number 1, you can automate conversations. Unlimited custom flows to engage up to 1,000 contacts, and note that contacts are customers that have interacted with your bot through any of the channels. Contacts may not be deleted or unsubscribed on the free plan. Number 2, you can acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to your automation. And number 3, you can segment your contacts with 10 custom customer tags. With the Pro plan, this tool is compatible with Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS text messaging, and email. You get everything the free plan has, plus the following. Number 1, engage unlimited contacts, scaled pricing based on contacts. Number 2, expand customer reach, unlimited growth tools and keywords. Number 3, build advanced campaigns, unlimited tags, custom fields, and advanced segments. Number 4, optimize performance, many chat analytics and insights tools. Number 5, save time, integrations with tools you already use. Number 6, make it your own, no mini chat branding. We love that for small businesses trying to build brand recall. And number 7, email support anytime. So I think once you start digging in and setting up your campaigns, you'll start to see the advantages of the Pro plan, but that's only if you have an audience big enough to benefit from it. So comment yes ManyChat below if you want to see me do a more in-depth tutorial on how to use this tool. Otherwise, the last thing I'll say is that if someone is on your Instagram post and the CTA in your caption is to tap the link in your bio, and then maybe when they get to the link in your bio, it brings up a link tree or something, and they have to pick an option from the ones available and click that and wait for the page to load, that's like 3 or 4 more clicks than what's necessary. If they were already on your post, they could have just commented the keyword you instructed them to, and the exact thing they need would have been DM'd to them instantly, automatically, without you lifting a finger beyond that initial setup. That's the beauty of this tool and why it'll save you time while pushing your followers further down your sales funnel. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.